Hey guys, guess what I did? I have fully, fixed my PS3 and it was awesome. Yeah, all I did was screwdriver, unbolt the thing, and hairdryer. Any hairdryer will do, and all you do is just, that's it, take out the hard drive out, which is in there, and just clean the sides off for a few minutes. And then after that, for 20 minutes or so, and to cool down the heat radiation, and that's it. You're all set to go. Leave it to dry and cool, and then you're all set to go. Oh yeah, see you later. Oh yeah, folks, if you have PS3 or anything, don't forget, you can add me as Alton Towers Nerd. Add me as, yeah, you can add me as Alton Towers Nerd. And I hope to see you sometime. Later, folks.